Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel of Akshar Education. In this video we are going to discuss chapter number 4, that is quadratic equation. So what is quadratic equation? The word quadratic is very familiar to us. We have discussed different types of polynomials in our chapter number 2 in which we have discussed one linear polynomial, that is ax plus b. Condition is a is not equal to 0. So this is one linear equation. We have also discussed one quadratic polynomial p of x, which is x square plus bx plus c form, where a is not equal to 0. The name of this polynomial is quadratic polynomial. The word quadratic is there. And also we have discussed third type of polynomial p of x, which is equal to cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus b, where a is not equal to 0. And here this a, b or a, b, c or a, b, c, d are real numbers. A, b, c and d are some real numbers. So different types of polynomials based on the degree that we have discussed in our chapter number 2. The polynomial with degree 1 is known as linear polynomial. If we compare this polynomial with 0, we are getting linear equation. Done? That we have discussed in our chapter number 3. That is linear equations in two variables. We have studied linear equation in one variable in our standard 8. Linear equations in two variables, that is your chapter number 3 of standard 10. Now, in this chapter number 4, we have to discuss the quadratic equation. That means if we compare this quadratic polynomial with 0, we are getting one quadratic equation. So now, quadratic equation. So what is quadratic equation? So equations are basically derived from polynomials when we compare the given polynomial of variable with 0. So this is given polynomial of variable x. P of x is there, whose maximum power of variable x is 2. So this is one quadratic polynomial. If we compare this quadratic polynomial p of x with 0, we are getting one quadratic equation. Clear friends? Comparing any polynomial with 0, we are getting equation. If we compare linear polynomial with 0, we are getting linear equation. If we compare quadratic polynomial with 0, we are getting quadratic equation. Done? So what p of x is in this case, it's ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So this is known as standard form of quadratic equation, where a, b and c are real numbers. This is quadratic equation of only one variable whose maximum power is 2. So here, in any quadratic equation, maximum 3 terms are there. Maximum 3 terms are there. One term is consist of power of 2. Another term is consist of power of variable 1, and another one is last one. Third one is constant term. So total 3 terms are there in any quadratic equation. Now, roots of quadratic equation. What is the root of quadratic equation? So we have studied that for any quadratic polynomial, maximum 2 real zeros are there. Maximum 2 real zeros are there. Number of zeros of quadratic polynomial is equal to the degree of variable x. So we have discussed that maximum 2 real zeros are there for any quadratic polynomial. So that zeros of quadratic polynomial are nothing but the roots of quadratic equation. So that is nothing but the number of real roots, number of real zeros, of quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. quadratic polynomial are nothing but the roots of quadratic equation. Clear? What you have to remember? The roots of quadratic equation, that means roots of these equations are nothing but the zeros of these quadratic polynomials. And we have studied how to find the real roots of any quadratic polynomial. To find the zeros of any quadratic polynomial is nothing but to find the roots of that quadratic equation. Clear? So this is one quadratic equation. For condition, we have to remember that the power of the variable x must be non-zero integer. That means it must be a whole number. The power of variable must be a whole number, and the maximum power of variable x must be 2. Then and then the given equation is said to be a quadratic equation. Clear? So this is a short introduction regarding your quadratic equation. So pause the video to note it down. Okay, now students, first type of questions in this chapter is, first you have to check whether the following equations are quadratic equations or not. So we have studied that the standard form of quadratic equation, any quadratic equation will be always in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers. That means maximum 3 terms are there, and power of variable x can be 2, it can be 1, and it can be 0 in each 3 term. Maximum power must be 2 in that equation. Clear? So that is the standard form of any quadratic equation. So here we have to check whether the given equations are quadratic equations or not. So check this first equation. Here we are given x square plus 2x plus 3 equal to 0, whether it is quadratic equation or not. So we have to compare the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we can say that this given equation is in the form of this ax square plus bx plus c. Term with power 2 is there, term with power 1 is there, constant term is there. So this is the quadratic equation. So given equation is, which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and therefore given equation is quadratic equation. You can write your answer. Given equation is quadratic equation. Yes, this is quadratic equation. Now second one. We are given that x minus 1 into x plus 2 equal to x plus 3. So first we have to simplify this equation, and after simplifying we have to compare this simplified form with this ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here expansion is there. So it's the x square plus 2x minus x minus 2 equal to x plus 3. So 2x minus x will be cut. So it's the x square minus 5 equal to 0. So this is again in the form of, you can write this one as a x square plus 0x minus 5 equal to 0, which is in standard form. Which is our standard form? Ax square plus bx minus c plus c equal to 0. Here, this one is a quadratic equation. Maximum power variable x is 2, and all the powers must be non-zero integer. It must be a whole number. Then you can directly say that the given equation is quadratic equation. Now for this one, again you have to perform simplification over here. It's a x square plus 4x plus 3 equal to, this one is x square plus 3x minus 4. So this x square will be cut. So it's a x plus 7 equal to 0. So here the given equation, maximum power of variable x is only 1. So which is not in the form of standard form of quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here the term with maximum power x, power of 2 is missing. So here we can say that the given equation is not a quadratic equation, it's a linear equation. Now here students, again question number 4, simplified. So it's a x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 2 equal to, this will be x square plus 6x plus 9. So here after simplification it will be x cube plus x square minus 5x minus 7 equal to 0. So for this equation maximum power of variable x is 3. It's a cubic equation. This is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Maximum power of variable x must be 2 for any quadratic equation. Here maximum power of variable x is 3, and that's why we can say that this is not the quadratic equation. You have to write the statement: the given equation is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and that's why given equation is not the quadratic equation. Clear, friends? Now, fifth one. So here is again x square plus 1 by x square equal to 2. आप directly देखिए बताएंगे yes sir इस पर x का power 2 x का power 2 quadratic equation. But look at it carefully. It's a x square plus 1 upon x square means x is to minus 2 equal to 2. So here maximum power is 2 is there, but one term is negative power is also there. Condition is the power of variable x must be non-zero integer. It must be a whole number. Minus 2 is not whole number. So negative power is not allowed. Negative power as well as fraction power of variable x is not allowed in our quadratic equation. So here negative power of variable x occurs, and that's why this is not the quadratic equation. Clear? Negative power is not allowed. So this is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. ये form में नहीं है, and that's why given equation is not the quadratic equation. Here again maximum power of variable x is 2, but it's a x square plus 2x is 2. Square root means 1 by 2 power minus 3 equal to 0. So here degree of this equation is 2. Degree of this equation is 2. It's a power of variable x is fraction. The middle term, the power of variable x in the fraction form. So fraction power is not allowed, and that's why this given equation is not the quadratic equation. Power must be non-zero integer. It must be a whole number. 1 by 2 power is the fraction power, and that's why the given equation is not a quadratic equation. Here you have to just check the power of variable x. It must be a non-zero integer. It must be a whole number. But coefficients can be negative, it can be fraction, it may be irrational number. So look at it over here. It's a root 3. Here power of 3 is 1 by 2. We have to check the power of variable x. So it's a root 3 x square minus 2x plus 1 by 2, which is already in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Power of variable x is 2 here, x is 1 by 2, which is in the standard form of given equation. Coefficient can be negative, it can be fraction, it can be irrational number. That is allowed. It can be any real number. These are the ABCs and coefficients, which can be any real number. But power of this variable x must be non-zero integer. It must be a whole number. And then we can say that given equation is the quadratic equation. So here given equation is quadratic equation. Clear, friends? So this is how you can check whether the given equations are quadratic equations or not. So pause the video. Okay, now students, next type of question in which you have to verify whether the given values of x are the solution of given quadratic equations or not. First type of sums that we have studied, in which we have to identify whether the given equation is quadratic equation or not. Now for this type of questions, we have to check whether the given values of x are the solution of this quadratic equation or not. So what you have to do for the solution? You have to put the values of that x into given equation. In the left hand side, you have to derive your right hand side. If it is 0, then we can say that given value of x is the solution of this quadratic equation. So here the equation is x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0, and the two values of x are given, which is x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 1. So first we are starting from left hand side of this given equation, which is x square minus 3x plus 2. Now here put x equal to 2 in the given equation. So it's a 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2. Whenever the x is there, you have to put x equal to 2. So 2 square is 4 minus 3 2 is 6 plus. So this is equal to 4 plus 2 6 minus 6. This is equal to 0, and 0 is on right hand side. So for x equal to 2, left hand side is proved that it is equal to right hand side, and therefore we can say that x equal to 2 is solution of given quadratic equation. Clear, friends? Now you have to check for this x equal to -1. So left hand side is again x square minus 3x plus 2. Now put x equal to -1 over here. So it's a -1 square minus 3 into -1 plus 2 minus 1 square minus plus. So -1 square is 1. -1 into -3. It's a plus 3 and plus 2. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. 4, 6. So this is not equal to our right hand side. Clear, friends? So left hand side is not equal to our right hand side. So we can say that x equal to -1 is not solution of given quadratic equation. You have to write the answer at the end of your sum. Pura statement, you have to write the entire statement, whole statement. That is the given value of x is not the solution of given equation. And for this, you have to write x equal to is the solution of given quadratic equation. Clear, friends? Now here again, second quadratic equation is there, which is x square minus 3 root 3x plus 6 equal to 0. And you have to verify for the x equal to root 3x and x equal to minus 2 root 3. So you have to start from the left hand side. Limitation of space. So here left hand side equal to, which is equal to x square minus 3 root 3x plus 6. Now here you can also add one statement. Put x equal to root 3x. Put x equal to root 3x. English में लिखना है. So x equal to root 3x. x नहीं होगा ना, ये सिर्फ root 3 होगा. So put x equal to root 3. So it's a root 3 whole square minus 3 root 3 into root 3 plus 6. So root 3 square is 3. Here 3 into root 3 into root 3. Root cancel हो जाएगा. So 3 3 is 9. So minus 9 plus 6. So 3 plus 6, 9 minus 9 equal to 0. Yes, right hand side. So left hand side is become equal to right hand side when we put x equal to root 3, and that's why x equal to root 3 is the solution of given quadratic equation. Therefore, x equal to root 3 is solution of given quadratic equation. Clear, friends? So now we have to check same for the another value of x, which is x equal to minus 2 root 3. So again we will start from the left hand side. So left hand side is equal to x square minus 3 root 3x plus 6. Now put the value of x, which is equal to minus 2 root 3. Put x equal to minus 2 root 3. So it's a minus 2 root 3 whole square minus 3 root 3 into x, which is again minus 2 root 3 plus 6. So this is equal to, now square of any negative number will be positive, so it's a positive. 2 square 4 and root 3 square is 3. So 4 3 is 12 is there. Now this is minus plus again. 3 2 is 6. Root 3 into root 3 it is again 3. So 6 3 2 is 6, 3 is 18. So it's 18 plus 6. 12 plus 6, 18 plus 18, 36. So that is not equal to 0. So here we can say that the value of x, which is minus 2 root 3, is not the solution. Not solution of given quadratic equation. Clear, students? So this is how we can solve your question number 2. Question number 3. So here we are given two values of x, which is x equal to a by b and x equal to b by a. And you have to check whether the given values of x are the solution of given quadratic equation or not. So let's start with the left hand side of this given equation. So left hand side of this given equation is a square x square minus 3abx plus 2b square. So now we are putting the value of x, which is equal to a by b. So this is a square. Now x square will be a square by b square minus 3ab, and again x, which is a by b, so which is a by b plus 2b square. So this is equal to a square into a square, a raised to 4 by b square minus, this one is 3a square, b cut, so it's a minus 3a square plus 2b square. Clear? So do you think it will become 0? No. So this is not equal to 0. So we can say that x equal to a by b is not the solution of given quadratic equation. Clear? कुछ भी करो ये 0 नहीं होगा. Here. Now again you have to check for b by a. So left hand side is equal to a square x square minus 3abx plus 2b square. So this is equal to a square x, that is b. So b square by a square minus 3ab, again x, which is b by a plus 2b square. Now here a square cut, so it's a b square. Here a cut, so it's a minus 3b square plus 2b square. So b square plus 2b square, 3b square minus 3b square, 0. So this is now equal to 0. So which is equal to our right hand side. So what you can say, therefore x equal to b by a is solution of given quadratic equation. X equal to a by a is not the solution of the given quadratic equation, while x equal to b by a is the solution of given quadratic equation. Why? Because if we put x equal to b by a in this equation, or equation satisfied. Equation satisfied. What is the meaning of satisfaction? That means for that value of x, equation, the left hand side becomes its right hand side. Left hand side is become equal to its right hand side for the given value of x, for x equal to b by a. And that's why we can say that that value of x, this value x equal to b by a, is the solution of given quadratic equation. Clear, students? So next one. So here same method is there, but the way in which question is put is the different. So here you have to check. Here it is given is x equal to minus 4 is the solution of this given equation. So we have to put this value of x equal to minus 4 in this equation, and we have to check whether it is satisfied or not. For satisfactory of the equation, left hand side must be equal to its right hand side. So here, so left hand side of the given equation is 2x squared plus 5x minus 12. Now put x equal to minus 4 in this given equation. So it's a minus 4 whole square plus 5 into minus 4 plus 12. Now again minus square, minus 4 square 8. And why करते हो exam में? Minus 4 square is 16. So 2 into 16 minus 4 5 are minus 20 plus 12. 16 2s are 32 minus 20 plus 12. Sorry, minus 12 is there. And in question minus 12 is there. So minus 12 you have to put. So minus 12 minus 20 plus 32 equal to 0. So here equation is satisfied for x equal to -4. So this is equal to right hand side. So is x equal to -4 is the solution of your equation? Is करके पूछा है. So our answer is yes. Yes, x equal to -4 is the solution of given equation. Clear friends? So pause the video to note it down. Okay, third question, in which we have given that value of x, it is x equal to 2/3 and x equal to -3 are the roots of the equation. It is already given that the values of x which are given are the roots of this quadratic equation. Find the values of this a and b. You have to find the values of real numbers a and b. So now we can say that x equal to 2/3 is the solution of this given equation. It will satisfy this given equation. So x equal to 2/3 is solution of given equation. Solution of given equation, and therefore it will satisfy this equation. And therefore we can write a into x equal to 2/3 whole square plus 7 into x, which is 2/3, plus b equal to 0. We can directly write the value of x. For this value of x, equation becomes 0, because it is already stated that the value of x equal to 2/3 is the solution of this given equation. Similarly, we are given that x equal to -3 is the solution of given equation, and therefore for x equal to -3 we can also write a into -3 whole square plus 7 into -3 plus b equal to 0. So now solve these two equations. So it's a into 2/3 whole square. So 2 square by 3 square, 4/9. So 4a by 9 plus 7 2 is 14/3 plus b equal to 0. Multiply this equation by 9. So it's a 4a plus 3 3 is 9. 14 3 is 42 plus 9b equal to 0. This is one equation. Or you can say it's a 4a plus 9b plus 42 equal to 0. Say this one is the equation number 1. Now here -3 square, so it's a 9. So 9a minus 21 plus b equal to 0. So it's a 9a plus b minus 21 equal to 0. This is another equation. Both are linear equations in two variables. That is our chapter number 3. Yeah. That is chapter number 3. You have to solve these two equations. So for the solution of these two equations, what we are doing, we are multiplying equation 2 with 9 and eliminating the variable 9. So multiply this equation with 9. So it's a 9 9s are 81a plus 9b minus 9 1s are 9 2s are 18 equal to 0. This is equation 2, and equation 1 as it is 4a plus 9b plus 42 equal to 0. So here coefficients of variable b becomes equal, change the sign and perform addition. It will be eliminated. It's called method of elimination. Chapter number 3. Revise it. 81a minus 4a. 81 minus 4. 77a. Minus 189 minus 42. So addition. 9 plus 2 1. 11. 1 with carry 1. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 4 13. With carry 1. It's a 2. 231 equal to 0. So a equal to 231 by 77. ऐसा कुछ लग रहा है. 77 3 करके देखो. 3 7 21 3 7 21 plus 2. Very good. 27 3 sorry 77 3 so we are getting a equal to 3. A equal to 3. Put this value of a in either of the equation. Put it over here. Put in equation 2. So it's a 9 into a. 9 into A is 3. So 9 is 27 plus B minus 21 equal to 0. So 27 minus 21. 27 minus 21 6. Yes. So B equal to, तो वो 6 सामने जाएगा तो माइनस होगा. So B equal to minus 6 is the answer. Find the values of A and B. Find the values of A and B. So values of A and B are 3 and minus 6. Quadratic equation is given. Roots are given. You have to solve this equation by using the concept of your third chapter. It's a combination of chapter number 3 and chapter number 4. है ना? चैप्टर नंबर 3 आपने ऑप्शन में निकाल दिया तो चैप्टर नंबर 4 किया होगा फिर भी कुछ नहीं आएगा, है ना? तो 100% सिलेबस 100% आपको हर एक कॉन्सेप्ट को आपको साथ में लेके चलना है. So this is how you can solve your question number 3. Now question number 4. For question number 4, what we are given? So one of the root of quadratic equation 2x square plus kx minus 6 equal to 0 is 2. Quadratic equation. So for quadratic equation degree is 2. Basically it's a quadratic polynomial. So maximum real zeros for any quadratic polynomial are 2. Maximum 2 real zeros can be exist for any quadratic equation. So out of that 2 real zeros, 1 zero is given. That is 2. So by using that value, you have to find the value of this unknown k. After finding k, you have to find the other root. For equation, it's a root. For polynomial, it's a 0. So for this quadratic equation, maximum 2 real roots are there. Out of that 2 real roots, 1 root is given. After finding the value of unknown, you have to find the other root. Clear, students? So now, here it is given that for quadratic equation, 2 is the 0. So x equal to 2 is root of given equation. So root of equation will always solve our equation. So left hand side, that is 2x square, put x equal to 2. So 2 into 2 square plus k into 2 minus 6 equal to 0. 2 square, 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 6, 2. So it's a 2 plus 2k equal to 0. So k equal to minus 1. K equal to minus 1. Find the value of k. That is your first answer. So k equal to 1. And therefore, our equation now converted into 2x square plus kx. And k is minus 1. So it's a minus x minus 6 equal to 0. So equation. Find the other root. You have to solve this equation. We will study how to solve any quadratic equation in our next video. But for this, you can easily solve this equation by splitting the middle term. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. So you have to find the factors of 12 whose subtraction is minus 1. So factors of 12, 4 3s are 12. And whose subtraction is minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. So here you can split this minus 1 as a minus 4x plus 3x. This is the concept of standard 8. Watch that videos of standard 8 also. So 2x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. Factorize this one. So here 2x is the common term. So it's x minus 2 plus 3 is common term. X minus 2 equal to 0. So here you can take x minus 2 common. X minus 2 common. Remaining terms are 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So multiplication of two terms equal to 0 when either of the one term or both terms are 0. Product is 0. So either of the one term or both terms are 0. And then this multiplication is 0. So this is x minus 2 equal to 0 or 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to 2. That is already given. One root of this equation is x equal to 2. That is already given. Find the other root. So other root is x equal to minus 3 by 2. X equal to minus 3 by 2 is the other root of this given quadratic equation. Clear, friends? So pause the video to note it down.